So your customer acquisition costs then through this, have you been able to track that and see a change so far? And again, at least you have better control, but have you noticed then that this has been beneficial for you?
Well, absolutely, because it gives me more of a definitive answer to it. I know exactly how much each lead costs. I know exactly we've got the analytics to know what that converts into as far as revenue, and it gives me day by day control over it. Whereas in the past, we would be spending a large sum of money over time, and then we'd be looking back, 6 months at a time to understand, okay, we got these clients in, this is how they heard about us. It was the old question we'd always ask, and on the top of our quote sheet was always, how did you hear about us? So we could kind of know what was
Sure.
what was reaching out there. There was a lot of guesswork in that, in the old days. And if I wanted to hire new producers, if I wanted to scale up the agency, well, if I didn't start my increased marketing well in advance of that new producer coming in. Then when that new producer came in, all they were doing was taking leads away from my current producer base. Of course, we'd work with them to go out and develop their own leads. But if we were going to support them with leads from the agency, it was very difficult to hire producers. Under this new system, from one day to the next, I can control exactly how many leads are coming in. If I get a producer that's sick, someone that leaves, or I run into this person on the street that I want to bring in, I think they'd be terrific. I can instantly start them, get them trained, get them licensed, and the first day that they're ready to go, I have their day completely full of leads. And having that type of control and that type of immediate response from your marketing dollar is incredibly valuable.